Hi, thank you for tuning in. My name is Dion Crazy Coupon Cravers. I hope you give this video a big thumbs up. Thank you for tuning in. I'm so sorry that I haven't been doing longer videos lately. I think I've been in that funk because my mom was gone for a while and she finally got back. She's doing better. She got sick and she ended up being in the hospital. She had UTIs, but she's doing better and she's finally gaining weight. So I'm very blessed and I'm very happy to have her back home. She's 92 years old, guys. So keep her in your prayers, guys. She's doing better, and thank you for all my subscribers that have been asking about her, and just thank you for all the prayers and thank you for all your supports. I hope you guys are enjoying the weather out there. It was a pretty day out there. It was cold this morning when I went to work, but ended up getting pretty. So I was very blessed, Lord. And just thank you for everything you guys do. Thank you for all your thumbs up. Thank you for all your comments. I couldn't do this without you guys. And thank you for everything you do. I ended up going to Walgreens. I thought this was a good deal. I bought 2 CoverGirls. It's $6.29 online, or $7.29 in the store. It's buy one, get one half price. There's a $2 digital. Then you can submit it to Ibotta and get $3 back and $3 back. And then you can submit one to Shopium for $3 back. So it ends up making it free and like a 50-cent moneymaker. So that is a fantastic deal if you need CoverGirl. And make sure that you scan it because not all of them are working on the Shopium. So make sure that you scan them to make sure that they work. So I thought that was a good deal. I ended up buying 2 Crest, and the Crest are $3 a piece. I ended up having a $2 coupon off of 2, and then I bought a Vivid medium toothbrush, and there's $1 on there. So I ended up paying $9. There's $3 digital, and then I paid $6 or $5. Sorry, $6, and I got $5 register reward back. So I paid $1 for all of these, so about 33 cents a piece. So I thought that was a good deal if you like toothpaste and toothbrush that you need it. I love getting it free though. So I ended up, hold on. I ended up buying the Gain products. It's if you buy 4, they're $5.49. If you buy 4 of them, you get a $5 register reward. I had $1 coupon, $1 coupon on the Downy, $1 coupon on that, and then $1 off the Gain. So it was like $21.96. I ended up having $4 in coupons. So like I paid $18. So it was ended up being $12.96 for all 4 of these. So I thought that was a good deal. So you can stock up that on that if you need to do that. These were $3.99. If you buy 2 of them, you get $2 back. And then there was a $2 digital. So I ended up, I forget what I paid out of it. So if you like Snuggles, that's a good deal on that. I think this was my favorite deal out of all of them. You can buy the pods, or you can end up buying the crystals, or you can buy the liquid. They're $1.99 a piece. So that is a stock up deal if you guys like Armor Hammer. So that was my favorite deal. So I hope you enjoy this video, and I hope you give it a big thumbs up. And if you haven't subscribed, I hope you subscribe. And thank you for all the comments again, and thank you for all your support. I couldn't do it without you. God bless you. You guys have a blessed day. Thank you. Bye.